Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do exercise 10.2. Exercise 10.2 of 9th class surface area and volume. In other video, before video, I've done exercise 10.1. So from there you can get the answers. So our first question is, is closed cylindrical tank of height 1.4 meters and radius of the base is 56 centimeter is made up of a thick metal sheet. How much metal sheet is required? So for this, first you need to find out the radius of the tank. Here they're saying a cylindrical tank of height 1.4 and radius is 56. So we are having a cylinder whose radius is what? Whose height is 1.4 and radius is 56. Okay. How much metal sheet is required? You have to find out actually the area of the metal sheet, right? So first, for this, what you have to do, you have to find out, let us write the given information. Given radius of the tank. Radius of the tank is how much? 56 centimeter, right? 56 centimeter. This we have to convert in meters because they said that the answer should be in square meters. So here for this converting centimeter into meter, 56 by 100 meters, which is equals to what? 0.56 meters, right? And also they have given us the height of the tank, right? Height of the tank, tank h is equals to what is the height? 1.4 meter. You know the total surface area of the cylinder, right? What is the total surface area of the cylinder? 2 pi r into r plus h. 2 pi r into r plus h, right? So here, therefore, area of the metal sheet required is how much? Area of metal sheet required is equals to the same formula, right? 2 pi r into r plus h, right? So here we are having, what is the value of pi? 22 by 7. What is r? 56 by 100, okay? Or else 0.56. We can write 0.56 plus 1.4, right? Here you have to solve this, okay? So what will happen? 7 1s are 7, 7 8s are 56, right? 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 0, right? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, right? So this will be 22 into 4 by 25. 0.56 into 1.40, how much? 0.56. So 6 9 1.96, right? So this is 1.96. So this will be equals to, when you solve all this, 22 into 4 by 25 into 196 by 100, right? This only. So here 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 0. Next, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, right? So this is nothing but 22 into 196 by 25 into 25. So when you calculate all this, you will get 6.90 meters square. So this is nothing but your answer, okay? Let us move to next question, question number 2. So our next question is, the volume of a cylinder is 308 centimeter cube. Its height is 8 centimeter. Find its lateral surface area and total surface area. First, what is the volume of the cylinder? Formula. Volume of the cylinder formula is what? Pi r square h, right? Pi r square h, right? And here the volume of the cylinder is 308. So they are saying that pi r square h is equals to what? 308 centimeter cube, right? Next is what? Height, right? Height of the cylinder is how much? Height of the cylinder, h, is equals to how much? 8 centimeter, right? So therefore 308 is equals to pi r square h. We are having h, yes or no? We need to find r from this. So 308 is equals to 22 by 7 r square. H is what? 8 centimeter, right? So if I am sending this term this side, 7 into 308 by 22 into 8 is equals to what? R square, right? If we calculate this one total term, so r square is equals to 12.25 and r is equals to under root of 12.25. What is the root of 12.25? It's nothing but 3.5 centimeter. So we are having r, we are having h, yes. So can we find out the lateral surface area? What is the lateral surface area of the cylinder? 2 pi r h. So this is 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 into h. H is 8. right? So if we calculate all this, we'll get 176 centimeter square. Now total surface area is 2 pi r into r plus h. So again 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 into r is what? 3.5 plus 8. So this will be 2 into 22 into 7 5 is 35. So this will be 0.5 into 8 plus 3.5 is 11.5. If you multiply all these terms, we'll get 253 centimeter square. So this is our answer. So our next question is, a metal cuboid of dimensions 22 into 15 into 7.5 centimeter was melted and cast into a cylinder of height 14 centimeter. What is its radius? So the dimensions will be LBH, right? So here let us write the given information first. Given dimensions of cuboid is equals to 22 centimeter into 15 centimeter into 7.5 centimeter, right? So these are nothing but the dimensions, and also height is nothing but what? Height is equals to 14 centimeter. Okay, so here what they are saying, a metal cuboid of dimensions was melted. So first cuboid is melted and that cuboid is made into a form of cylinder, okay, of height 14 centimeter. So here first what we'll do, volume of the cuboid is equals to volume of the cylinder, because we have melted it and we have made it into the form of a cylinder. So volume of cuboid is equals to volume of cylinder, right? So what is the volume of cuboid? LBH, right? And what is the volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. Okay, are we having all the information? First LBH we have already given 22, 15 and 7.5. So this will be 22 into 15 into 7.5, which is equals to pi is 22 by 7. R we don't know, we need to find out. H is what? 14 of cylinder. Now, so here you can see 12 get cancels, okay, and the remaining information we'll put this side. 7 ones are 7 twos are, right? So all the information. So 15 into 7.5 by 2 is equals to r square, right? So this will be r square is equals to, this will be 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14, 2 fives are 10, 7.5 whole square. So what will be r? R is nothing but 7.5 centimeter, right? So we find out already the radius of it. So this is nothing but our answer. So our next question is, an overhead water tanker. An overhead water tanker is in the shape of a cylinder. It has the capacity of 61.6 cubic meters. The diameter of the tank is 5.6 meter. Find the height of the tank. So for this, first we need to find out the volume. Here they have already given us the volume. Okay, let us write the given information. So here given volume of the cylinder is what? Pi r square h, we already know, and in the question they mentioned it as 61.6, and the diameter is nothing but 5.6 meter. So what is the radius? Half of the diameter, yes or no? So r is equals to d by 2, 5.6 by 2, which is nothing but 2.8 meters, right? Let height be all like same, okay? So what we will do now, we'll substitute this. Pi r square h is equals to 616. We know the value of pi. 22 by 7 into 2.8 into 2.8. We don't know h, we have to find out 6.6, right? So now h is equals to 61.6 into 7 by all these terms this side, 22 into 2.8 into 2.8. So here if we solve all this, we will get, in the calculator I have done, so this will be 2.5 meters. Like this we have to find the height of it. Okay, next question number 5. What is our question number 5? A metal pipe is 77 centimeters long, okay, and the inner diameter, okay, the inner diameter of a cross section is 4 centimeter. So inner diameter is how much? 4 centimeter. The outer diameter diameter being 4.4 centimeter. So we have to find its inner curved surface area, second outer curved surface area, and then total surface area. And yeah, so these three we have to find out. So in the question they are saying that a metal pipe is there of how much length? What is the length of it? Suppose this is a metal pipe. The length of it is what? 77 centimeter. This is nothing but the length of it. Okay. Next, the inner diameter of cross section is 4 centimeter. So in the pipe, like this will be the pipe, right? One more will be there. Yes or no? So this one will be there and this one will be there. So inner diameter is how much? 4 centimeter. Okay. The outer diameter is how much? 4.4 centimeter. Right. So first we will write the given information. Given height of the pipe. Height of the pipe is how much? Height of the pipe is how much? 77 centimeter. Inner diameter is how much? 4 centimeter. Inner diameter is 4 centimeter. If it is 4 centimeter, what will be the radius? Half of it. So 2 centimeter. Right? So inner curved surface area. Anyhow, curved surface area of a cylinder will be 2 pi RH. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 2. Height is already we know 77. 7 ones are 7 11s are. 2 2s are 4. 4 into 22 into 11. So 44 into 22. This will be what? How much? 968 centimeter square. Okay. Next is what? Outer surface area. This is the inner curved surface area. Next is outer surface area. Outer curved surface area. So for this, outer diameter is how much? Outer diameter D is equals to 4.4 centimeter. Then radius will be what? Half of it. So it will be 2.2 centimeter. Height we already know 77 centimeter. So outer curved surface area is equals to 2 pi RH. So this will be 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.2 into height is 77. 7 ones are 7 11s are the same. This will be 22 into 22 into 2.2. So this your answer will be 1064.8 centimeter square. Next we need to find out total surface area. What is total surface area? Inner and outer curved surface area, right? So inner curved surface area plus outer curved surface area. Outer curved surface area. What is inner curved surface area? 968. What is outer curved surface area? 1064.8. So when we add this, we'll get 2032.8 centimeter square. So this is your answer. The question number 6 is here. What they are saying in question number 6, a cylindrical pillar has a diameter of 56 centimeter and it's of 35 meters high. There are 16 pillars around the building. Find the cost of the painting the curved surface area of all the pillars at the rate of 5.50 per meter. So first we'll write the given information. Given diameter is how much? 56 centimeter and radius will be equals to half of the diameter, that is 56 by 2. That is nothing but 2 1s are 2, 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 28 centimeter. If it is 28 centimeter, if I want to convert into meter, divided by 100 meters, which is equals to 0.28 meters, right? Now height of the pillar they have given us 35 meters, right? How many total number of pillars are there? Total number of pillars is how much? 16, right? So cost of painting, what they have given? Cost of painting per square meter is equals to what? 5.50 per square meter, right? Per square meter. So curved surface area of each pillar will be how much? 2 pi RH. Yes or no? So if it is 2 pi RH, 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.28 into 35. 7 ones are 7 5s are 35. So this will be equals to 61.6 meters square. Now curved surface area of 16 pillars will be how much? 16 into 16 we have to do, right? So this will be 61.6 into 16. So this will be equals to 985.6 meters square. So this is total the curved surface area. To this curved surface area we have to paint it, and per square meter it is given 5.50. So cost of painting will be how much? Curved surface area of all the pillars into 5.50. So 985.6 into 5.5, which is equals to what? 5420.8. So this much rupees they needed to paint the pillars, 16 pillars, right? Let us see question number 7. So in question number 7, the diameter of a roller is 84 centimeter and its length is 120 centimeter. It takes 500 complete revolution to roll once over the playground to level. Find the area of the playground in meter square. So first we'll write the given information. Given diameter is how much? 84 centimeter. Radius will be half of the diameter. 84 by 2 1s are 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. This will be 42 centimeter, right? Again converting into meters, 42 by 100 meters, which is equals to 0.42 meters, right? Now length of the roller they have given is as 120 centimeter. Length is nothing but height only, right? So here centimeter, it is again in centimeter, means 120 by 100. So this will be 1.2 meters height. This is height. Okay. Now, so first they are said that 500 complete revolution to roll the playground. So what we will do, 500 into lateral surface area of roller will be equals to what? Area of the playground will be equals to area of the playground. So this will be equals to how much? As we are already know, 500 into lateral surface area into is equals to what? Area of the playground. So here, so this will be equals to area of the playground. Area of playground is equals to what? Just now we have written 500 into lateral surface area, that is 2 pi RH. So this will be equals to 500 into 2 into 22 by 7. R is what? 0.42. H is what? 1.2. So if you multiply all this term, we'll get 1584 meters square. So this is our answer. Let us move to question number 8. So the inner diameter of a circular well is 3.5 meter. It is 10 meters deep. Find its inner curved surface area. Cost of the plastering this curved surface area at a rate of 40 per meter square. Similar question. Okay. So here first we'll write the given information. Given inner diameter. Inner diameter is how much? D is equals to what? 3.5 centimeters. So radius will be equals to inner radius 3.5 by 2, which is equals to 1.75 meters, right? And deep well means it's nothing but height. So this is nothing but 10 meters. So first we need to find inner curved surface area. Inner curved surface area formula is what? 2 pi RH. So this will be equals to 2 into 22 by 7. R is 1.75. H is what? 10. Right? So if we multiply all these terms, we'll get 110 meters square. Now cost of plastering, what will be that? Cost of plastering at the rate of how much? Cost of plastering at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square will be equals to 110 into how much need? 40, right? So 110 into 40 is what? 440 rupees. So this will be your answer. Next is question number 9. So in your question number 9, find total surface area of a closed cylindrical petrol storage tank whose diameter is 4.2 meters and height is 4.5 meters. So given what is the diameter of the cylindrical tank? 4.2 meters. So what will be the radius of it? Half of the diameter, 4.2 by 2, which is equals to what? 2.1 meters. So height is how much they have given? Height is 4.5 meters. So total surface area of the tank will be what? Formula 2 pi R into R plus H. So this will be equals to 2 into 22 by 7. R is 2.1. Again 2.1 plus 4.5. So if we calculate all these terms, 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. So this will be 2 into 22 into 0.3, 2.1 in plus 4.5 will be 6.6. So if you multiply all this term, it will be 87.12 meters square. So this will be your answer. Then ninth, second bit is what? how much steel sheet is needed was actually used if 1/12 of the steel 1/12 of the steel was wasted in making a tank. So here 1/12 of the sheet was wasted, right? 1/12 of the sheet was wasted. So it means from how much they have wasted the sheet? 1 total part, right? So 1 minus 1/12. 1 minus 1/12 will be what? 12 into 12 ones are 12. 12 minus 1 is how much? 12 minus 1 is how much? 11. So this will be 11/12 of the sheet was used. This is wasted, but the remaining part has been used, right? So let the metal sheet originally brought was x meter square. So it will be 11/12 x is used, which is equals to what? 87.12 meter square. This is the total surface area which we found out, right? So 11/12 x is equals to 87.2. So x is equals to what? 87.12 into 12/11. So if we calculate this, we'll get 95.04 meter square. Okay. So this part of the steel has been used, right? Next is question number 10. A one-side open cylindrical drum has inner radius 28 centimeter and height is 2.1 meters. How much water you can store in the drum? So first, whatever they have given, that we have to find, and then at the last we have to find out the volume of the drum, right? First we will write given inner radius is equals to how much? 28 centimeter. Height is how much? 2.1 meters. So if you want to convert this in centimeter, we have to multiply with 100. So 2.1 into 100 is what? 210 centimeter. We know the volume of the drum formula, pi r square h. So this will be equals to 22/7 into 28 into 28 into 210. So this will be equals to 5174440 cc, but we have to convert it into liters. So how will convert 517,440 by 1000 liters? So this will be equals to how much? 517.44 liters. So this will be your answer. Now the last question of this exercise, question number 11. The curved surface area of the cylinder is 1760 centimeters square and its volume is 12320 centimeters cube. Find its height. So let us write first curved surface area. What is the curved surface area of the cylinder formula? 2 pi RH, which they have given it as 1760 centimeters square. And volume of the cylinder, what is the formula of volume of the cylinder? Pi r square h. Volume of the cylinder is equals to pi r square h, which is equals to how much they have given? 12320 centimeter cube, right? And what they have given? Volume. Find its height. So what we will do? Volume by curved surface area. If we divide it, we will get the height. Since volume is pi r square h, curved surface area is 2 pi r h. Pi cancels, r cancel, right? And here h cancels, which is equals to, we have to write 12320 by 1760. So which is equals to what? R by 2. Okay. Next 0 cancel. 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, again 2 6s are 12, right? Again 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 0, 2 8s are 16. Next 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, right? 4 5s are 24, 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 7s are 28, 2 left, again 4 7s are 28, 11 1s are 11, 7s are. So r by 2 is equals to what? 7. So which is equals to r is equals to 7 into 2. So which is equals to r is equals to what? How much? 14 centimeters square. Now, so this, since they said that 2 pi r h is equals to 1760 and we need to find height from this. So 2 into 22 by 7, r we know 14 into h is equals to 1760. 7 1s are 7 2s are, h is equals to 1760 divided by 4 into 22. So if we calculate all this, we'll get 20 centimeter. Therefore, height of the cylinder is how much? 20 centimeter. By this, we have completed our 10.2 exercise. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you. Please write in comments if you are having any doubts. Thanks for watching.